Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to update PUBG Lite after ban. So I'm going to update the PUBG Lite after ban to the latest version 0.19.0. Right? So I'll be providing a link in the description where you have to click. Then it will be opening to like this where the latest version is available. So now what you have to do is then you have to click on download. Right? After clicking on download, you have to select the Chrome. Then you have to go for Chrome. Then it will be redirected to another page where you have to zoom in once again, right? Then it is around 566 MB where you have to download this. So as you can see that the version is 0.19.0. Now go for download anyway. So you just have to go for OK. You have to download the respective file. As you can see that this is going to take a little bit time. So you have to wait completely. It is getting complete downloading. Once after that, we'll be opening the game hereafter. So as you can see that it is successfully getting downloaded. So as you can see that it is around 556 MB where you just have to wait for hardly 2 to 3 minutes, right? You just have to wait for hardly 2 to 3 minutes. So once after download, you just have to click here. Sorry, you just have to open the respective file. You have to go for installing. Once after that, you just have to go for install. Now go for install. Now once after that, you just have to go for open, right? So as you can see that it is already done. You just have to give some permissions and go for allow. Now as you can see that we have successfully installed the latest version of 0.19.0 PUBG Lite, and now you just have to play the game hereafter. So that's all about when it comes to how to update, right, PUBG Mobile Lite after ban. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for the notification. This is Shahin signing off from Guitar Tips. Any doubts, do ask in the comment section so that we'll get back to you. So keep practice social distance, be safe and stay safe. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.